Why you should own at least 5,000 Altura tokens. Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Diary, a channel that will completely make crypto comprehensible and easy to trade. Either way, you know how we're making it better than ever. Today we're going to study a hidden gem, the Altura token. Never heard of it? I'm sure even if you did, you didn't notice its potential much. So let's dive into the video and understand what really is it about this token that we're making an altogether separate video on it. And if you find the information provided even a bit of value, then don't forget to like and subscribe. There is bonus information at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And without any further ado, let's go. First of all, what is an Altura token? Where did it come from and what does it provide? And every question from every corner of your mind, let's answer them all. What is Altura, ALU, really is? Altura is a smart contract platform that allows game developers to mint, distribute, and transact smart NFTs representing in-game items. In-game items are a big part of any video game and allows gamers to own digital assets. However, in-game items are centralized, not easily exchangeable, and challenging to implement, which is the exact problem ALU has been trying to solve. Smart NFTs are NFTs with dynamic properties that can change based on certain conditions. Smart NFTs are NFTs with dynamic properties that can change based on certain conditions. Smart NFTs are the next step to making decentralized in-game items mainstream and offer a massive range of potential opportunities that are not possible with traditional NFTs. Now, the non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and gaming world are considered a perfect match. The gaming world has managed to benefit from the NFTs as the gamers can not only enjoy playing the game, but they also trade NFTs to earn money in the process. Altura Crypto is fast developing into a force to reckon with in this space and has over 17,000 holders on its platform. As the in-games are not centralized, the trades are often complicated to implement, and collectibles have restricted exchangeability. However, with Altura, the game developers can trade smart NFTs, mint, and distribute them. They want to create an easy-to-use interface and API for creating smart NFTs, an open marketplace for transacting NFTs using the Altura token. And we want to introduce truly random smart loot boxes to the blockchain. So basically, Altura is creating a marketplace for buying, selling, and sending NFTs, along with a user interface for creating smart NFTs. They didn't even leave loot boxes that drop NFTs in a way to create loot boxes, and obviously, when they put their soul into everything, why should they leave the APIs and SDKs for video game integration? Okay, all of this is fine, but all in all, is this what ALU is used for? Well, not so, surprisingly. ALU is the native utility token that is used for transactions on the Altura NFT marketplace and surely used as an object of governance to determine the direction of the platform. All thanks to the founder and lead developer, Majd, an ambitious young entrepreneur, is the developer of Portfolio View and the host of the Eager Money YouTube channel with 15,000 subscribers. He has been a developer and investor in the cryptocurrency space since 2019. Obviously, Rome wasn't built in a day, but like ALU, it was built fabulously. There is a maximum supply of 1 billion ALU, however, only 220 ALU are in circulation at the time of writing. 450 ALU are locked in investing contracts that are dedicated to marketing, supply for potential DEX and SEX listings, operation and development, reserve and advisory and team allocation. Additionally, 330 million are locked in another vesting contract, which are to be released to private investors and IDO investors over a period of time. I sound too flattering about this, huh? Not really. Let me tell you why. Lately, ALU has been in news for a lot of reasons, like when they declared what they're planning to raise $2 million in additional capital for its Melina and Fish Lake lithium projects, and when the material stock was announced to a 1 for 8.5 pro rata non-renounceable entitlement offer with new shares worth 0.5 cents each. The new entitlement offer will open on November 19 and close on November 30 with more than 400 million new shares to be issued under the new entitlement offer. That money will help advance Melina, AJM's asset in the Pilbara region of Washington, as well as the Nevada-based Fish Lake lithium project. It even previously announced in October it would raise $6.5 million in extra capital via an equity raise to institutional and sophisticated investors. And why am I telling you all this, or how is it related to you? Well, let's look into insider buying. It's quite normal to see company insiders, such as board members, trading in company stock from time to time. However, such insiders must disclose their trading activities and not trade on inside information. Insider transactions are not the most important thing when it comes to long-term investing, but logic dictates you should pay some attention to whether insiders are buying or selling shares. For example, a Columbia University study found that insiders are more likely to engage in open market purchases of their own company stock when a firm is about to reveal new agreements with customers and suppliers. Altura mining insider transactions over the last year. Non-executive director Alan Buckler made the biggest insider purchase in the last 12 months. That single transaction was for 15 million Australian dollars worth of shares at a price of 0.13 Australian dollars each. That means that even when the share price was higher than 0.045 Australian dollars, the recent price, an insider wanted to purchase shares. It's very possible they regret the purchase, but it's more likely they are bullish about the company. We always take careful note of the price insiders pay when purchasing shares. Generally speaking, it catches our eye when insiders have purchased shares above current prices, as it suggests they believe the shares were worth buying even at a higher price. In the last 12 months, Altura mining insiders were buying shares but not selling. That shows the signs. Now, many investors like to check how much of a company is owned by insiders. A high insider ownership often makes the company leadership more mindful of shareholder interests. So insiders own 26% of Altura mining shares, worth about $45 million. We've certainly seen higher levels of insider ownership elsewhere, but these holdings are enough to suggest alignment between insiders and the other shareholders. So what do the Altura mining insider transactions indicate? It doesn't really mean much that no insider has traded Altura mining shares in the last quarter. However, our analysis of transactions over the last year is heartening. Insiders do have a stake in Altura mining and their transactions don't cause us concern. Fortunately, due to the lack of awareness, there are also plenty of examples of share prices declining precipitously after insiders have sold shares, which means you can buy this heavy potential in this token. So, shareholders might well want to know whether insiders have been buying or selling shares in Altura Mining Limited. If you are smart enough to be investing in crypto, then you are smart enough to understand the hints of this information. And as promised, the last bit of the valuable info we promise is that the co-founder and head of finance, Maxim, developed an educational program called Understanding Computing, where he helped students grow their knowledge in the blockchain and cryptocurrency. He also manages private investments for clients. Director of Marketing Mahin is the president of a marketing consulting company which has served over 200 clients in building their brand. So there is a lot to learn, and you can go ahead and follow them to get the best out of your time in crypto, or you can subscribe to us and we'll provide you with the same. So what do you guys think about Altura? Let me know in the comments below. Also, binge watch our deep, insightful videos at our channel uploaded previously if you want some extra knowledge. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like our efforts, then please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more educational videos. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.